I guess we could take a moment to kind of like look at kind of what my wall is. I guess we can start from the top here. Got this out of a magazine, like obviously Streetcar magazine. Pretty cool, right size for one of those size frames. This got out of a piano book my mom gave me. I just thought it was a cool double frame. I've always liked the thought of like using different types of frames, you know, for photos. Made that. Fortunately, one of the whiskers came off. That was supposed to be blue and pink, obviously, and they are for baby shower reveal. And yeah, this one's my custom one, the one that I really just went to town with. Double-sided lightsaber, kind of one with a thin neck. We'll get to my lightsabers, but basically was going for that, like right there. But yeah, this is cool too because it's from a piano book, you know. There's some art from that. You can see it's wrinkled and stuff, but grew up looking at that from my mom's piano book. It's like a whole Star Wars themes and stuff is cool. And then yeah, JDM cars pretty much. If you know, you know. Check them out, kind of like, you know, the ones I like, the colors I like. Went for kind of like whites and the yellow, but kind of faded yellow. Really faded from the sun. I did my window seal. 240s, and want to get an E36 here. It's my dad's. That's just a current placement holder. These are like the, what do you call it, like the store from like your local grocery store. I kind of just took them apart and painted them and slammed them pretty much on the wheels that came with them, but I think it's kind of just different and cool. Oh, don't mind that, it's dirty. But yeah, painted this one. This one was blue originally. This was from a model I was trying to do. It was really cool. I was gonna do an R32, but it had a M3 drivetrain, so it was just like a mid-engine R32. It was crazy. Some episode 1 figures, some of the stuff I grew up playing as a kid. Obviously, hashtag OIV gang, follow. My car, or my old car, Audi 30. This I printed at a Safeway, I printed this at a Walgreens, and pretty cool. FD, little FD corner here. Chelsea Denofa and Vaughn Ginn Jr. It's cool because Vaughn Ginn Jr. had an episode with Rob Dudek, got his autograph. LYV hat, some pops. Have the child pop that ideally would like over here somehow, some way. Just a little knickknacks of Star Wars type stuff. This plays Star Wars, obviously, if you like rotate it, but I'm not gonna do that. That's basically a small version of that. Another one of those things, some more figures. That's about it, but yeah, that's my little YouTube corner. Hopefully if I diet and I have my lights, and it'll be a nice little, whatever you want to call it, a thing to do a YouTube video and motivate me and stuff, you know? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Can you picture me sitting here and doing a YouTube video and letting you know the inside scoop of everything and anything LYV gang? I don't know, I want to get like a picture of like my cars or something legit. I'm just gonna use the rag or something, wipe it down real quick, and that's it. Let's get it. Alright, what's going on, you guys? So I'm literally just outside here, just enjoying the day. Barely any sleep, not gonna lie. Still wishing I would have sold the engine, but I guess everything happens for a reason. You never know, maybe I was meant to keep the engine. I don't know. I'm gonna give it another couple weeks or something, but we'll see. If I don't get what I want for it, I'll just keep it. But yeah, obviously I wish I could sand it down, wish I could clean it maybe a little bit more, but it is what it is. Let's just start dyeing it. Hopefully I have enough. I think I should have at least half in here. I used my guitar, used it on my guitar. There's like little things here where you could see it, where it's exposed, the wood there, and then obviously this over here was actually like more of that, like, you know, that color. Alright, that's about where we are with it. I think it's actually looking kind of sick. Look at that. Sheesh, we're gonna let it definitely sit out here. It'll definitely be a-okay pretty soon. Given that I'm in the desert, it's nice and hot, so yeah, I'm getting kind of hyped. It's looking good. It's kind of matching the darker theme of things in the apartment, and it just looks better in general. It's kind of like covering a lot of the dirtiness I'm kind of just hiding it, so let's get it. Peace. What's going on, you guys? We got the strawberry frosties here. I'll let you guys know how they're in a little bit. We are gonna do a tattoo too, so stay tuned for that. Got my wife and kids on. Yeah, here gang, just chilling. Yeah, I'll let you guys know here in a second. First try of all time. You wanna try it first too with me?
Hold on. I just opened 2 of them. I was like, guys.
That definitely tastes strawberry.
Oh, I love strawberry.
Orion, do you like it? How you like the strawberry frosty? I think that's a success. I still like the chocolate. Alright, so she got this untangled for me. This power supply, gotta get this plugged in. Just try to get a little setup here. That's like the most important part to me, at least. And then, yeah, have to substitute our actual like water cap for this. Just gonna go kind of sideways. Kind of excuse my toddler in the background. Obviously, she insert music.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
And just like that, here's my setup for the night. You can see the time here is actually 10:54, so it is merging on to 11. Got the pedal, got the power supply, needles, got my curve needle. Has this. I have another grip towel on the floor, don't mind that. I'm gonna go ahead and shave. I'm going to go ahead and tattoo my leg here, so I have the seat here, leg here, entertainment here, and yeah, ink if I need to refill. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with shaving my leg, so just this area, and go from there, and then start designing it with the pen here. And yeah, so again, I'm using a water bottle cap, but I think if I go in at it sideways, it'll be alright for the actual needle itself. But yeah, there's my setup. That's why I like this little case, that's why I got it, but kind of portable. Now there's other cordless options, but I don't know, this is cool to me if I can take it places.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
need to go over it again, but we'll see, we'll see. Definitely need to go over it again. That's the thing though. With this. Or at least how I do it. But, yeah. Go over it again, but it's just looking alright.
You know, the reviews are kind, thanks for sending them to me. Yet out of all of them, we still haven't gotten a half size. Oh well, at least he's really... Considering what happened with the Commanders, I'm afraid his inability to get a partner make him stumble and lose confidence. I must focus on him.
Why am I screaming like a girl? Excuse me. Sorry about my penis. Attention to what I was doing. I didn't realize I'm the one who's sorry.
Acting like you bring people who go up. I do. Yeah, my interactions.
Put it together, easy. Keep your breath together. Listen, Marcia. Being naked together is complicated, okay?
Asa, please, you have to take me. I need you to take my virginity. And I need you to do it now. Please know that I am right. I'll finally be free. You're seriously lacking in this area, so I'm trusting in your potential.
Thank you for that.
Besides, when I help you take on a skill anyway.
Alright, that's all she wrote. I'm kind of tired for now, but I think I'm pretty happy with that. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I will do like an update. Definitely think I should go back over it again. I'm just kind of hurting. I don't know. Maybe I will, but I think you guys get the point. We'll throw on a healing video here in a sec, but I think it came out pretty fire. I wanted to definitely test out a script like this. Definitely went in with my own flair. Like I said, I added the bottom one, added in a few dots, added in just things. Did this E differently than that E, and I don't know, just stuff like that. But yeah. There you go, let's get it. Alright, what's going on, you guys? We're out here. I'm gonna have to turn her stuff down. Yeah, hers. Ooh. Yeah, tell them you just blasted people's ears, but I don't think this is normal. Anything I do, by the way, is just my experience. Like, this isn't like a how-to DIY tattoo yourself. Like, I don't take anything I do like as advice, but I went over everything. I inserted a picture right here from the clip from last night, and then now you can see it here, and it's just, I just went over the bottoms a little bit more, and then the lines, I don't know. It really hurts. This is what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's like the next day, so it's like I went over something that already existed, and it just really hurts. Hopefully this heals nicely, but yeah, check it out. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy these tattoo stuff, let me know down in the comments. I am gonna do it either way because I like it, but yeah, this really hurts. I gotta go. It's the next day. We're gonna go ahead and do a little YouTube magic once again, and in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, just like that, there she is. Ignore the poop box.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.